Welcome back, you're watching Property It's Hot. Due to rising costs in construction, the industry is devising innovative ways to reduce the cost of building homes, switching to alternate materials like Z-blocks and hollow bricks. Not only does this decrease the cost, but also minimizes environmental pollution. Lakshmi Shivdas brings you a list of new materials and technology that are most efficient for constructing your dream home.
Efficiency and costs. These are two things every discerning home buyer keeps in mind before buying their dream home. And developers are going the extra mile when it comes to getting both right. To make energy-saving, cost-efficient homes, they are beginning by changing basics at the construction level. Take Z Homes for instance. The developers of this villa project use composite material for construction, drastically bringing down the costs involved.
We now use what are called Z-blocks, which use only 50% riverbed sand and 50% what's called manufactured sand, which is stone dust, For every 3,000 square feet or whatever we construct, it reduces about 160 cement bags for us.
Alternate materials that developers are banking on for construction and plastering today include the use of Porotherm hollow clay blocks, gypsum boards, insulated concrete forms, and even fly ash blocks. Apart from this, developers are also using prefabricated forms or shuttering models for durability and seismic tolerance.
For lintels and stuff, I'm using a new material which is made up of steel, where we can fix it and same day we can construct it on top of that.
With a wide range of materials now being used, it can be quite a task to decide which is best for a home. Of the most popular materials, Porotherm clay blocks have a lower rate of heat loss and are also 60% lighter than conventional clay or concrete bricks. However, on the flip side, water absorption in Porotherm clay is higher, which reduces the strength of the structure over time. Aerocon bricks are another popular material in construction which are lightweight, fire resistant and take 1/3 the time regular building materials take for completion.
To begin with, I think the whole house or the building that you're designing, you're contextualizing it with the climate and where the sun rises, sets, and where is the heat zones coming from. In some ways, you try and orient it that way. Where it's the west, you try and see there is minimal opening or there is double walls or cavity walls, as you say, which takes in the heat and doesn't let it come in. So materials can be used in a way that certain materials can be used which are insulating in areas where heat comes in, and where it's cooler in areas, you could go for materials which allow light in.
When it comes to choosing the construction material for your home, make sure that you source products locally available to avoid stalling of the construction period. If you're planning on constructing an environment-friendly home, remember that it doesn't necessarily mean that it will be low cost. The cost of the material depends entirely on the craftsmanship involved in making the product. From Bengaluru, Lakshmi Shivdas for NDTV.
Ballooning property prices and shrinking carpet areas. Even with all your life savings, all you can afford is a 1 or a 2 BHK flat. Then how do you make room for your growing family, cater to guests, or make that home office? The answer to that is multifunctional furniture that frees up the floor area of your house, creating that extra space. Vasudha Sharma shows you how.
A small house need not mean you remain small on style or space. You need smart furniture that can multitask and maximize your living area. Alcove London is described as India's first organized brand for multifunctional furniture. The famous Murphy bed has been around in the West for years, but India has just been introduced to these mind-boggling foldable furniture concepts.
As the space is shrinking, as we said, we have to come out with some ideas where the existing spaces can be maximized. So Alcove uses the space maximization technology. When we say housing for all by 2022, you will have at least 20 million units coming in, and even if half of that comes into the place, then probably you will need much more and many more such revolutionary ideas.
At Alcove's first experience center in Gurgaon, watch a drawing room instantly transformed into a bedroom with a simple pull. Ergonomically designed, these vertical wall beds cum sofa sets glide with minimal effort. The supporting hardware is completely hidden and made of rust-resistant steel mechanism.
They are all high density material because a lot of weight comes at the hinge position, so they are HDF, and at the same time all the part which is touching the ground, they are aluminum profiles, so that it should not get rusted.
Alcove's multifunctional furniture pieces display strength of both form and function. That means no tumbles or spillage of anything you have placed on your convertible bed. Necessity is the mother of all invention, and these bed cum study sets take multifunctional furniture to the next level. Students, work from home professionals or bachelors looking for minimalist furniture to do up their flats. These study beds are the smartest piece of furniture around. And then there are library beds for the book lovers who desire a quiet corner to read their favorite literary works. It's not just about freeing up spaces in rooms. Alcove is serious about smart space management for the entire house.
A person who is buying a home, and if that home is very small, then how can they make it up in the whole way? So we provide solution to the whole concept. If a person is buying studio apartment, we have a whole concept of a studio apartment of 218 square feet, 250 square feet. Similarly, a 2 BHK can be converted into 3 BHK, to 4 BHK, depending upon the needs of the customer.
At Alcove here, they've recreated a 530 square foot small 2 BHK flat. But with their smart space-saving furniture, they've managed to fit in 4 bedrooms with ample storage space. Take this storage room for instance. Sliding cupboards pull back to open up a folding bed. This piece is a hit among consumers looking to accommodate their domestic help inside their home. High-density fiber board and high-grade melamine are the base materials of this furniture. The rest is up to your imagination. You can customize furniture in any color for any layout and for whatever usage. From beds, study sets to coffee tables, Alcove is soon moving on to kitchens and bathrooms to carve out more space with their space-maximizing ideas.
The price of the product range is similar to what is existing in India as of now. So it is comparable, number one. And number two is that by our estimates, we free up around 40% of junk space. So I don't take anything extra from you, but I actually give it back to you.
One benefit that could appeal to young families is the ease of dismantling and transporting these furniture sets. So go on, declutter your space to free up your mind and soul. With camera person Sudhish Kumar, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.
With that, we close yet another edition of Property It's Hot. For the latest in design and home decor, log on to our website ndtv.com/property and write to us with your feedback and suggestions at hotproperty@ndtv.com. Until next time, this is Radhika signing off. Have a great weekend. Take care. Goodbye.